Hey guys, this is Jeff with Florida Watersports, and today I'm going to show you how to tie the Albright knot, also known as the Alberto or the Crazy Albright. There's a few different names and a few different ways to tie it, but this is the way I use. I use this knot mostly for all of my inshore fishing stuff, redfish, trout, Spanish mackerel, a lot of my thin line diameter lines, 15, 20, 30 pound braid, and up to 15, 30, 40 pound mono as well. I tend to use this on my much smaller diameter lines that it's going to hold better, be smaller, and go through the guides of the rod a whole lot easier. First thing I do is I fold over my mono or fluoro leader in half, create a little loop, and I take my braid and I go through the bottom side of the loop and I pinch it all in my fingers. I take the tag end of the braid and I wrap it around all three pieces of line. That's going to be around both sections of the mono and the braid that comes in, and I pinch it all down in my fingers, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. I typically do about 7 to 10 wraps, a little bit more for the fluoro since it tends to be a little slicker and doesn't always hold as well. The mono, somewhere that 5 to 7 works very well. And once I get back up towards the loop of the mono, I'll take this, and because I went in the bottom side, I'll go out the top side to the bottom. Then I'll pull both pieces of braid and my mono together, and that knot will cinch down and create a real strong connection. That's going to be quick, easy, and go through the guides of your rod. Clip these tag ends, and with this knot, once it's cinched, you can clip these tag ends really, really short so it doesn't hang out and go through the guides or it doesn't unravel. And that's the Albright knot. If you like this video and want to see more tutorials or how-tos, go ahead and visit us at fws.fish. You can follow us on Instagram or our Facebook accounts. Or you can even call us at 850-238-9975.